Good afternoon. I cannot play the music or karaoke at this time because I got copyright issue. So what I am doing now is chatting and talking and upload videos yun. And then of course yan. So that's me. Diba? Yan lang muna tayo. Na I will be not doing the karaoke thing at this time because I got a violation. Not a violation, it's a copyright. So what I need to do now is video, vlogging, travel, videos, mga ganyan.